This is Zalesha and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel we are going to look at Blackpink's tarot reading. The reading is going to go over their general energy, their music, their bond and well-being, as well as opportunities. We are also going to ask the oracle decks for some additional messages. Now, if you guys like K-pop related tarot readings or just tarot readings in general, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want me to do any other member or any other group, or you have any kind of suggestions regarding my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys like the content that I'm uploading, please make sure to hit that like button. Now, before the actual reading, I would like to mention few disclaimers. This reading is meant for entertainment purposes only and must be viewed as a source of entertainment only. Now, these are just my assumption because tarot is based on energies and this reading is going to be based on the energies that I picked up on them. And I would like to mention that energies change every day, so what might come today might be different from what will come tomorrow. And I do not know them personally, nor do I have any kind of association with them. And if I say something out of line, please let me know. Now let's get right into the reading. For any kind of reading, I like to do meditation on the member or the group that I'm doing, and I meditated on them also. And Jenny, Lisa and Rose, they came up a lot, especially Rose. She came up a lot. I think these three, they're going to have some sort of musical activities. They're going to do some sort of musical activities that will include a lot of trendsetters kind of thing. Yeah, especially Rose, because I think she's definitely going to do some sort of musical activity, because I saw her practicing her dance moves a lot. For Jisoo, I don't think she's going to have any kind of musical activities in the near future, but she's going to, I think she's going to because she's going to focus on her acting career for the time being. Now, I'm not saying they won't have any kind of musical activities as a group together. They will have, but I think they're going to focus more on solo activities at the moment. Now this is just my as I said, this is just my opinion. Yeah, they have this very subtle bubbly excitement within themselves. And yeah, because of some sort of new project, they have this kind of excitement within themselves, because while I was reading, I had this energy about them, and I think they're very conscious about how they portray themselves and how their body is. Now this could be because of the reason they are one of the pioneers of K-pop, but it could be also be because of their company. Now I'm not bad mouthing their company, nor am I trying to bad mouth the girls. Please do not take me wrong, but this is what it came, and I really don't, I just want to say the messages as it is. I don't like to sugarcoat things. And yeah, they're little bit unable to focus, kind of, I would say kind of distracted. Now it could be because of social media or any kind of social platform, but they're a little bit unable to focus. And something regarding China, it came up. I think they're going to do something for their Chinese fans. Now China came up a lot, and I think there's also going to be a movie. Now I'm not sure what kind of movie or who is going to get the movie deal, but movie, movie as in the word that came up. And yeah, they have this, I would like to say that they have this very mysterious, very mysterious, enigmatic personality about them. And I had to put a lot of focus when I was, trying to read them. They had this very secretive, very enigmatic, very mysterious energy. And yeah, I think they're, doing a lot of writing, or, they're reading and writing a lot. I think yeah, maybe it could be songwriting, it could be something different too, but they are doing a lot of reading and writing. Especially I saw sorry, not Jisoo, Jenny. I saw Jenny flipping pages of books like that. And yeah, Jenny could also get some kind of fashion deals or something in the fashion industry. She could she could become the brand ambassador of some fashion deal or fashion icon, maybe something like that. Sorry, I just ramble a lot sometimes when I'm channeling messages directly. Please do not take me wrong. Yeah. And yeah, they have this very risk-taking personality about them, risk-taking, trend-setting personality. These two words, they came up a lot. So yeah, this is what I had in the meditation part for them. And I would like to say that this reading is based on the upcoming 6 months to 1 year. So please keep that time set in your mind. Okay, now let's get into the cards. Now let's get the cards for their overall energy, which is the Hermit in reverse. Now the Hermit in reverse, when it comes, basically it means that coming out of the shell, reappearance. Basically it means that, so I think, maybe they haven't had recent reappearances as group. I think they're going to have reappearance as a group, and they're going to be very matured as a whole group. And yeah, they're going to have this they're going to bring back the reconnection with the world. If they had this distance within the industry and themselves, they're going to bridge that back, and they're going to get back stronger in the industry than before. They're going to be a force to reckon with their new comeback. I think they're going to have a new comeback pretty soon. I'm not sure, I haven't kept myself updated with their schedule. I'm really sorry about that, but I think they're going to have some sort of new comeback. And when they do that, they're going to reappear in the industry, and they're going to take the industry up by storm. Now let's go. Let's see we have 3 of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Swords, and the Magician. Now, they could have this feeling of overwhelming. They could feel very overwhelmed. They could feel very overwhelmed. They could feel very tired, and they're not really feeling that sort of motivation within themselves. And there could be some kind of conflict, a little bit of mental issues also. Now please, Blinks, please do not get me wrong, I'm not trying to badmouth the girls, but these are messages that are coming through, and I had to get it out. So yeah, this could be that they're going to have some sort of mental pressure. Now it could be because of the upcoming comeback, or some sort of personal issues, because to be honest, we just see them on the surface, right? We do not know what is happening in their life. So yeah, and they're having very nervous energy around them. They're feeling very stressed, extremely stressed, and they're having sort of like chronic fatigue, and they're also feeling very exhausted. Now this could also be happening because of upcoming comeback, or it could also be happening because of some sort of negative criticism, or people bad mouthing them. Maybe this this is finally taking the toll on their mental health. So it could be because of that. Okay, this is very serious energy. How do I say this? But don't worry, Blinks, please do not worry, because when the Magician, it appears in a reading, the Magician has the energy to remove all sort of negative blockage. So we have the Magician here, right, as you all can see. So whatever that this phase they are going through, this is going to help them become a lot more mature, and they will overcome this phase, and they will come back very strong. They will come back stronger than before. So please do not worry about that, because they're overcoming all this, because they're putting work in themselves, they are believing in themselves. The universe is also aligning according to them and according to their wishes, and the universe is going to be on their side, and they're going to have a lot of focus and mental energy that they didn't have before. And why? Because they will be putting a lot of willpower into moving forward. They will be putting a lot of willpower and lot of concentration, and because they have the talent, the universe is going to help them out in this. So basically, how do I say this, the universe has got their back. So please do not worry, okay? It's going to be all right. They're going to be all right. The cards for music, please, let's look at that. First we have the Emperor in reverse, then we have the 4 of Swords in reverse, and then we have the World card in reverse. Now let me just get this out of the way. They are going to have a lot of songs about empowering women, a lot of woman centric songs. It could be like, woman centric empowering songs. Now their songs could also have this kind of, questioning the misogynistic ways of the industry, patriarchic way of the industry. We all know that the K-pop industry, they tend to favor boy groups a lot more than girl groups, so they're going to have songs about questioning that stereotypical industry, which is very empowering in my opinion. And they're going to have songs about questioning the standard that K-pop industry sets on women idols, about their body, about their image, everything. They're going to have those kind of songs, basically questioning the authority, something like that. Songs about songs like that, very fiery energy. Their songs are going to have this extremely fiery, yet very how do I say this, very enigmatic energy that is going to draw in a lot of people. But they're at the same time, they're also going to have healing songs, songs about mental issues, songs about depression, songs about anxiety. They're also going to have songs like that. And their songs are going to be about overcoming disappointments, overcoming insecurities, stepping forward, keep moving forward. They're going to have a lot of songs like that. So reading this makes me very excited about the next album. I hope it comes soon. Now let's move these cards and look at the cards for their bond. I have actually divided this section into two parts, the bond and well-being. So we'll get two cards for their bonds with each other, and we'll get two cards for their health. So first let's look at the bond. We have Knight of Swords and that's this word, and we have Four of Cups. Now they are very quick-witted, they are very quick-witted, they are very assertive, and they are very direct and honest with each other. And because they are very direct and because they are very honest with each other, they are going to help out each other a lot. And this is going to bring in a lot of harmonious energy in their relationship with each other, and as well as people around themselves, because they're very honest. They do not like to hide what is going on inside their head. They like to say things directly, and this helps out in their bonds, relationships very well. And they're very, as I said before, they're very excited about something, and this is creating a really harmonious, this excitement is really creating a really harmonious, how do I say this, very harmonious energy between themselves. And they're becoming very mindful of each other, how what other members want, what they need, how they are feeling, or what they're going through. They're becoming very mindful of each other's struggles and each other's thoughts, and they're helping each other out based on that a lot. And they're also feeling very nostalgic. Now I'm not sure about what, maybe it could be about their debut days or how they've come so far as a group, but they're feeling very nostalgic about their past. This is what I had in the bond part. Now we are going to look at the cards for their health. First we have the Star card, and then we have Six of Pentacles. Both of these are wonderful cards in regards to health. Now I'm saying this because they're going to have a lot of good health and a lot of healing. And they're going to have this good health because they're going to go through a lot of healing, both mentally and physically. As I said before, remember, they are the magicians, right? Magicians can create everything out of nothing. They can create anything simply out of air. So they have this aura of magician, right? So they are going to heal themselves a lot, both mentally and physically, and that is going to bring them a lot of good health. And if they had some kind of previous health issues, it is going to be resolved in this time frame. and they're going to feel much more hopeful about their health, in all the regards, both physical and mental. They're going to feel much more hopeful. Now if something had distressed them about their health, they're going to move past that, and they're going to feel like they can finally get better, they can finally feel better. I also think they're going to get in some sort of new wellness programs like yoga or something like that. But they're going to get into that, and it is going to help them out a lot. And they're also going to get a lot of support in regards to their health, be it mental or be it physical, but they're going to get a lot of support from everyone around them. And wellness is going to increase a lot. Okay, so blinks, do not worry about that, right? We have five of swords, page of swords, and the chariot in reverse. Now when this combination comes together, it basically means that they are very, as I said before, like they are very flexible and they are very witty, and they have this sharp and daring aura around them. And because of this aura, they are going to garner a lot of attitude, because of their attitude, they are going to garner a lot of attention, attention to them. And because of that, I think they're going to have a lot, they're going to get asked for a lot of collaborations, but they're going to be very choosy about who they work with. They're going to be very picky, and I think this is really good. Picking work should be done in the same, how do I say this, they're working on somebody who's they're going to work with somebody who's on the same level as them, and I think that is a really wonderful thing. And they're going to be very picky, right? They're going to be very picky about who they want to work with, and they're planning a lot. They're having a lot of strategies in regards to how they're going to work and who they're going to work with. And as I said before, they're going to be very careful about who they collab with, but I still think that they're going to have a collaboration with a young person who could be an air sign. Now this can be a male or a female, I'm not sure, but this person is definitely going to be young, and they're going to have a lot of air energy in their charts. And yeah, they're not, but whatever this endeavor is, it's not going to happen very rapidly. Maybe at the end of June came up suddenly, maybe at the end of June or something like that, but it's going to be very successful when it finally happens. And it is going to push them to a lot of push them into a height of success that the K-pop industry has never seen before. And because as I said before, right, they're very strategic about how they're working or who they're working with. So they're moving very slowly at the moment. They're not rushing in, and they're very very careful about how they step in, like creating the water, you understand, right? So they're very careful, and they're moving very slowly and very carefully. And whatever they're approaching a situation in regards to work, they're approaching it with a very subtle, very soft approach. So yeah, this is what I had for them in the opportunities. Now we are going to get to the oracle cards, which is right here. We're going to move these cards, and we are going to get the cards for their oracle decks. First we have the first of stars. Second we have is the Empress, beautiful. And third we have the Neophyte, which is basically the Page of Moons. Now as I said before, right, they are very intellectual, and they are very passionate, and passionate about themselves and their work. And they have, I mentioned this before, right, they have this fiery yet angelic sort of energy about themselves. They hate injustice, they like being honest, and they like truth. no matter how harsh it is, they like the truth in its raw form. They do not like sugarcoating things, and I think it reflects on their personality a lot. They're extremely kind and down to earth. They have this very kind and nurturing aura about them, and yeah, they have a lot of feelings, and they are not afraid to feel these feelings. A lot of people these days, they tend to shut themselves down, shut their heart down, feelings down, but Blackpink is not like that. They like to embrace their feelings. They like to embrace their feminine side a lot, and they are very strong female companions in their life. They are very strong. They have this very strong female or dominating energy around themselves, and they love to support each other with compassion. They have a lot of compassion within themselves, and they love to support each other. They are very nurturing, very passionate, yet they have a wild side to them. They're very loyal and devoted to their work and to each other. And I think recently, maybe as I said before, it came up in my meditation also, but recently they're into studies a lot. They're studying a lot, and they like to apply themselves in any kind of situation that they're working in. Like, they like to think very critically, very analytically, or very logically. Yeah, they do accept their feelings, but they don't go with feelings all the time. They use their head and heart in a balance, and that is something really we all should strive for. But I also like to mention that they are very discreet, right? I mentioned this. They're very discreet, and they are very observant, but I think being in the top girl group at the moment, they have to do that. They just cannot be open about everything, because a lot of people would like to see them fall. I know this, trust me. Everybody, they cannot take girls at top. But yeah, let's just move forward. First we have traveling, then we have breakthrough, then we have past lives. Wait, 2 major arcanas, wow. And then we have a sharing. This is 8 of fire, 2 major arcanas, breakthrough and past lives, and this is Queen of fire. So I said before, right, so they have a lot of fiery energy within themselves, and the cards are reflecting exactly that. Now there could be a lot of physical movements. They could be traveling to a lot of places, but it could also indicate their some sort of mental movement, change of perspective. That's the word that just came into my mind. Change of perspective. They're going to look at life in some sort of different angle, and it is going to and because they're going to have this change of perspective, they're going to have a lot of new adventures. They're going to embrace this new way of thinking, this new way of life, and it is going to make them they're going to have this vast energy of openness, and it is going to help them take risks. They're going to take a lot of risk, and when they finally take the risk, when they finally have this change of perspective, when they finally move forward with this new perspective in their life, they're going to have this breakthrough that is going to break a lot of old patterns, a lot of old chains that had shackled them in before. And as I said before, because they're going to have this change of perspective, they will be they will love to take risks, and because they're going to take risks, they're going to break in a lot of old barriers that had contained them. And because they will be breaking this old chains, they're going to break a lot of soul patterns, a lot of previous patterns that they had had within themselves. and this is going to bring them a lot of empowerment in their life. This is going to bring them a lot of vitality and lot of empowerment. And this is basically, like, the universe is helping them to wake up to a new way of life. As I said before, the universe has got their back, right? So this the universe is going to help them become a very empowered version of themselves. And because of this breakthrough, because of feeling empowered, they're going to have a lot of happiness, a lot of love, a lot of fulfillment in their life. They are going to share this happiness with everybody that is in their life, and it's going to make them feel very good. True happiness, that when you share something you feel true happiness, right? So they're going to have that kind of feeling within themselves, and they are going to have a lot of abundance, a lot of good luck on their side. Now I'm going to move this cards, and we are going to look at the new cards that I have. This is the literacy witches. I got this card, new cards, right? So this is Sappho, love. Sappho, basically she was before Plato. She was before Plato, and she wrote a lot of homoerotic poetry, but a lot of them could not be discovered because of religious sentiments at that time. Now Leslie Marmar-Silko, she was a Native American author, and she wrote a lot of stories about the lives of Native American people, and a lot of stories about healing and togetherness, connectedness. Now we have Sylvia Plath. She wrote a lot of dark poetry. She had a lot of mental health issues, but she was an amazing poet, and she wrote a lot of dark poetry. Her poetries were very amazing, but she took her life at the young age of 30. And next we have Mirabai. Mirabai is an Indian devotee who loved Krishna more than herself. She used to write songs and poetries about him, and imagined him as her lover. Now I'll just get to the meanings. I wanted to give a brief info about them, because these were the powerful women of their time, and we have Blackpink in front of her, who are the powerful women of our time, right? So I just wanted to give an introduction. So they're going to bring in a lot of love within themselves. As I mentioned before, they're going to have a desire and strive to move forward. They are going to take a lot of flight. They're going to take a flight towards their success, and they're going to fight against this disapprovals, and they're going to be have this muse about breaking the stereotypes about female idols, and they're going to use that muse, and they're going to move forward in a new direction. And along with that, they're also going to take a lot of care. They're going to take care of each other a lot. They're basically going to be each other's safety nets, and because of that, because they are going to take care of each other a lot, they're going to have a lot of healing with each other. They're going to heal each other a lot, and they're going to understand each other a lot. They have a very intense energy about themselves. This intense energy, it could be anger, it could be something else, but they're going to focus this energy into their music or their work. And basically there's whatever they do their work on, it's going to be how do I say this, it's going to target the industry a lot. It's going to change the industry in some way. This anger, they're going to have a lot of songs about fighting the stereotypes and patriarchal society. I think I keep repeating this, but this message it comes a lot, it's coming out a lot. So yeah, but they're also going to have but whatever this anger is, they're not going to let it consume them. Rather than they're going to consume this anger, and they're going to focus it on the music or the different endeavors, and they're going to they're going to feel very passionate about their work. Now I think they're also going to get into some sort of religious or some kind of wellness practices, and it's going to affect their mental health in a very good way. And as I said before, right, because they will be feeling very good mentally, they're going to put in a lot of effort into their work, because when you're feeling mentally good, you would like to work very passionately. So yeah, they are going to have that, and their work is going to be, you know, very unparalleled. Their thoughts, their approaches about their work, their music is going to be unparalleled. Now I'm going to move these cards, and I'm going to have the cards. I also got this new deck. I'm actually waiting for another deck, so when it comes, I'm going to do how do I say this? I'm going to do an unboxing. I have this dream, you know, I do an unboxing. So we have, first we have the Pratyahara. It's a yogasana. Then we have Ganesha. Then we have Ahimsa. And then we have Anahata. This is about energy cycle. So this is about yoga. This is Lord Ganesha. This is Ahimsa, which is a thought, and Anahata, which is talking about heart chakra. Now, you know, they're going to let go of a lot of toxic habits, you know, that had become a part of their life. I said this, right, they're going to get into some sort of wellness program, and because they're going to get into this wellness program, they're going to get rid of a lot of toxic habits in life. You know, they're going to do a lot of meditation, and this meditation, you know, this meditation is going to help calm their mind a lot. They're also going to have some sort of new venture. These cards are just, you know, reaffirming, the spirits are just reaffirming what I said previously. So basically they're going to get into a lot of how do I say this, they're going to get into a lot of new endeavors, and this endeavor is going to bring in a lot of joy and success in their life. Basically Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, you know, he brings in a lot of abundance in our life. So when Ganesha is appearing in our reading, so basically he's going to bring in a lot of abundance, a lot of joy in the girls' lives, and you know, he is going to help them overcome a lot of obstacles, and they're going to overcome a lot of obstacles, because Lord Ganesha will help them also, because they're doing meditation, right? So they're going to have a clear mind, so they will be able to approach the problems with a very clear mind, you know, and they are going to have a lot of awareness about their consciousness, true consciousness. Basically they are going to know who they are, they are going to know what they feel, and since they're getting to know about themselves, you know, they're going to have a lot of uplifting energy, and because of that they're going to manifest a lot of their dreams. You know, they're very compassionate, they're very compassionate about these dreams, so these dreams are going to manifest into their life, you know, and they're also overcoming a lot of negative thoughts, and you know, they're seeing great potential with each other, within each other, and with others in their life. So, and they're also, you know, they're trusting their gut feelings. So, and they're also doing a lot of practices that is helping them to open their heart chakra. Maybe they're doing it knowingly, maybe they're doing it unknowingly, but their heart chakra is going to open, and it is going to bring in a lot of love, a lot of healing within themselves. I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to look at the cards for their moon. We have the card, the show the world the real you. Then we have step out of your comfort zone, and then we have the energy is gaining momentum. Now I said before, right, because they're doing a lot of meditation, because they're finding out who they truly are, they're going to show the world who they truly are. You know, they're going to show the world their unique characters, their unique identities, unique thoughts, and they are going to be very true to themselves. They are going to be very, very true to themselves as well as others. And because of that, they're going to move forward, leaving past behind their backs. They're not going to look at their past and wonder about things. They are going to move forward, they're going to strive forward, and they are going to get a lot of success in a lot of their endeavors. And they're going to get a lot of success in general, because whatever they're doing, they're headed in the right direction. They're taking risks, they are facing their fears, and because of that, they coming in alignment with their true soul purpose. And this is something, this is a very big message, coming in alignment with your soul purpose. They are going to have that energy. They are going to coming in touch with their soul purpose. And because of that, when they finally realize what they truly want to do as a group, as individuals, they are going to put in a lot of effort into their work, put in a lot of effort into themselves. And because of that, their dreams about themselves, their dreams as a group, it is going to come true, and it's going to all come true because they're heading in the right direction, that they're heading towards their destiny, something that is definitely meant for them. Now with this, my reading ends here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a very detailed reading, because I like to do detailed readings about the members, about the groups. And yeah, if you guys like my video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you guys want me to do any other member, please let me know about that too. And I hope you guys stay safe. You guys stay safe, and your family stay safe during these hard times as well. Please maintain the protocols, please. And I just hope all of you stay blessed. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in another video.